guys the 2020 Ford Police Interceptor utility with 96,000 miles on it. Got the cruise control set. Runs and drives perfect. After I got this, I spent $3,750 in maintenance repairs, including they replaced some solenoids inside the transmission. It was shifting a little bit hard when I first got it, and so I took it to the shop and they checked out the transmission. There was nothing mechanically wrong with the transmission, but some of the solenoid assembly had to be replaced, and so it's got all new fluid, brand new battery, runs and drives like a brand new vehicle now. I drove this all the way to Seattle and back on a road trip, and I put over 1,000 miles on it on that road trip, and it drives perfect. So this has the 3-liter V6 with twin turbos, produces 400 factory horsepower. If you buy a programmer or a tuner and plug it into that AWD 2 diagnostic port, you'll have 510 horsepower. But it's just factory. A security company was going to buy this. They were trying to get the funds for this, and I haven't heard back from them. So whoever wants this can have it. It's got a nice vinyl cushion second row back seat. Only vehicle in the world crash tested to be rear-ended by another vehicle traveling 75 miles per hour. It's got reinforced framing back there. So this has heavier duty wheels, tires, suspension, brakes, cooling and charging systems over the civilian Ford Explorer. Tire pressure monitor sensor needs to be replaced on one of the wheels. I forget which one it is. It'll show you when you go into here, into the computer. It'll tell you which wheel it is. But you can get 4 of those on Amazon for like $24.99 for all 4 tire pressure monitor sensors. So anyway, drives great. In 2020 was the newer body, and in 2020 they're a rear-wheel drive based vehicle. When the rear wheels lose traction, the front wheels kick in with the all-wheel drive system. It's a little bit dusty in here. Live out here in Central Oregon. It's kind of smoky out today too. There's a fire over in Madras. It's got heated side mirrors, Bluetooth, rear view camera pops up on this little screen right here. I got these LED, they're amber and white lights hooked up. I had it ready to go for the security company. So yeah, brand new battery. Transmission is like brand new. All new fluids. Runs and drives great. You can go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. The website is either, I got a few names for it. Goes back to the same website. interceptorking.com, copcarforsale.com, squadcarsforsale.com, and scepterking.com. Been doing this for about 23 years. I just get these vehicles because I like them. These are amazing. The tires on this vehicle have a lot of tread, and like I said, I drove it up to Seattle and back. I think we averaged like 22 miles per gallon, or 22 or 23 on that road trip. This one's in excellent condition. Set the control back to, say, 36. So set at 36. I don't know if you can read that. Anyway, this thing drives perfect. I wouldn't hesitate driving this thing to Florida and back. And this is the performance package with the highest performance package you can get in these, with the 400 horsepower, 3-liter V6 twin turbos. The previous year before this, if you were able to get the one of the twin turbo ones, it was a 3.5 liter with twin turbos, and that produced 365 horsepower. So they actually put a smaller motor in this with twin turbos with the 3-liter. Now it's got 400 horsepower, but gets the government's #1 crash test rating. It's the safest for your family. Probably has ballistic door panels under here. Nobody will cut you off or tailgate you. They're great for road trips. You get on the freeway in the fast lane, people just move over out of the way before you even get up behind them. All right, you guys be safe. Take care. Later.